So before you tie it, what you do is you put that across. That goes in the middle. So that ties into it, so into the section. So what I'll do is I'll put another one here so I can get out. Like that. Probably be longer than that. Did that slide down? No.
They'll help themselves after a while, won't they?
Can't fucking get me running out. Well, I can't even get out of here swimming, that's the problem. That's good, isn't it?
I had that problem.
It's not funny.
It's the Frankenstein boots. So,
What do you call the bombardiero?
do you want to grab hold of me instead of the thing?
Supposed to go on the floor and roll, aren't you?
You want to go crisscross on the string. So you've got a string going this way and a string going that way.
I've really looked after these Brussels sprouts and everything seems to be attacking it. When you come into the polytunnel, all you can smell is like rotting brassicas. I did find some maggots in here, and because we're trying to go organic, it's just hard because these love bugs or stink bugs are just been eating everything. I have put some kind of I put a mixture of alcohol and washing up liquid, and that did work to a degree, but I don't want a maggot in my Brussels, so they are going. Most of these Brussels sprouts have just blown. They haven't really turned into sprouts at all. One or two tiny little ones. These with sprouts, they take so long to develop. I think they're about 130 days, and at the moment everything's been eating it apart from us, so yeah, I'm just going to throw it. You can eat the leaves. The leaves are quite sweet, quite nice. But I just want to get rid of the smell when you come into the polytunnel. It's... Oh, is it? Thought she was coming on holiday and having a lovely time.
No, I don't mind. That's a deep finished, ground in Rian, OP 25 E-car. And it says maximum 1 centimetre to be sure, keep your clothes open before you get angry. How does that make any sense? Carrots today in the raised bed. Me and Izzy dug up all of this and just loosened all the soil, and yeah, and then Izzy started raking it. So Herb just gave us a hand setting up the pipes, made sure that the white tab will come into the top, and then we've just been planting them with a bit of Max Smart fertiliser to get them going.
Yes, as a real gardener would do, we actually rub it into our faces, and it's very, very good for the complexion. Ready?
So yeah, and then just putting a few seeds in each side.
I was watching a Portuguese gentleman across the road from us, and he's just done 1.5 acres all by hand.
Yeah, the neighbour just down there. No, fair play to him.
Fair play. Oh, there you go.
So we don't actually know how deep to put them because obviously they're all in Portuguese. So we're just winging it a bit really.
Taking a guess.
Yeah, it's taking a guess.
But the ground is so soft.
Yeah.
That,
Well, we've gone over it a good few times, haven't we? So.
With it?
Yeah.
And we added a little bit of compost.
Just to get them going.
There you go, 1 second. Put a bit of compost there. Plant both sides.
Jobs are good in.
And hopefully we'll become the carrot barons of
the Algarve.
Oh, you've just...
Yes, it's swum away!
You can't fish, but...
Have a look. Right, so what's on
that is
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh.
I didn't go past the narrow sandy bit for the sea, but Abe went back for me and he's got totally drenched.
They were taken out by the water. Yeah, but unfortunately, they didn't video me getting taken out by the water. Hence, I don't have to be told my people left my life.
Even your hair's wet. Oh.
He's actually got sand all in his hair and his ears.
Oh, Abe, and you can't swim.
Yeah.
Oh, look after Spencer. Oh, Abe got absolutely soaked. Somebody's taking our photo.
That's the best!
God, oh my God.
Answer, come here. Spenny. Look, what kind of crap is it?
Oh.
You take a photograph. I'll tell you one thing, it's very sharp spikes on it.
Well, from this morning we've gone to AZINHAL market, and it's a local Portuguese market not too far away from where we live, and they sell everything from live produce to planting equipment, so we'll just show you around. Won't we, Bella? Come on.
Might get it back.
What for, darling?
Well, they don't sell the sets. Or just sell
Yeah, no, I'll contribute. Yeah, carry on. But,
Sweet potatoes and a big, huge tomato, which I'm going to take the seeds from. And Abe's bought
300 onions.
onion sets.
And I got an
sets.
extra 100 free of charge. Gave me an extra 100 free. So we'll have plenty of onions. Ole, 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 ole.
Yeah. It is a hard language to learn, but
Turkish is so much easier.
cheers.
Bottoms up.
How many glasses of red?
Maybe one too many. 3.
So, what do you think to AZINHAL market?
I think it's brilliant, to be fair. It's very traditional, and I think it's just nice how you can all have a little walk around all the stalls and then after you get your barbecue chicken, they cut it all up for you, and you have your carafa wine with your bread and olives. It's just really nice, I think. Very traditional, and also we got a bit of music next to us as well. So yeah.
We're going to be on
our third carafa wine. Yeah, it goes down too easy, doesn't it? So.
And it's what time in the morning?
It's 10:30, so along with the next one.
It was only €3.20 for a jug.
$3.20 for a jug.
AZINHAL market is on the last Saturday of every month.
One chicken, 2 lots of bread and olives, 3 carafes of wine. How much money do you think in euros?
One chicken, 3 carafes of wine, 2 bread and olives,
Coffee.
And a coffee.
and a coffee.
And a water.
35 euros.
22 euros.
22?
I did!
Oh, it's gone now, isn't it? No, I'm fine. No, don't worry.
Oh!
They didn't lie about that, you broke it.
Oh, you've got it on your top.
Não precisa marcar, hein? Já junta que marca. Marcar, não quero que essa voz tem que já fazer outra cadeira.
You got the vino on your top.
Funny, it was funny.
Oh my god, that was
I did sit on.
Caringness.
I'm so sorry.
Could have been worse, it could have been me.
Yeah, in the morning, and we're on our 4th.
What's it
Well,
called?
I don't know, it's a bottle of wine.
But unfortunately, I'm on Coca-Cola. Because none of these will change.
4th carafe of wine and it's 11 o'clock.
Yeah.
But the wine is very good.
Yeah, it
Very
tastes
nice.
really nice.
And you weren't sure about wine.
No,
were you?
I didn't think I liked red wine, but this it's going down great.
And it's only $3.20
Yeah,
for a
for
carafe
one of them.
of wine.
You can't buy it. I mean, that's like really good value for money.
I didn't think. You can't look at me. Look the other way. Look the other way. I didn't think I liked red wine, but the wine in Portugal is very nice.
And strong, I think.
Yeah, it's pretty strong.
Bella's saying, I've seen this all before, and it's not going to end up pleasant. This is
Madronya.
just Madronya, which is made from. Oh, that's the fish person.
All in one go.
I'm scared.
Look at it.
It's not as bad as gin.
Cheers.
Go on, bull. Down the hatch.
Oh, it's nice.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Music, you know the Portuguese.
Is it, yeah?
That's the thing with the Portuguese, they actually have it.
I was counting it down 10, 9, 8, 7. You didn't even get to 7.
No, well that's the thing, the Portuguese actually have it when they feel poorly.
Are you going to have yours, Angela?
Yeah.
You know when they have like a
Let me
flu or
film you,
something?
COVID hate. The people that actually didn't really catch it was people that had Madronia.
Yeah.
So
Cheers.
bottoms up. I personally have 3 alcoholic drinks, and I think I've surpassed that. What time are we on?
11:33.
11:33. I have 3 alcoholic drinks, and because we've gone to AZINHAL market, we've way surpassed
Gone past
that.
3, yeah.
So I'm not going to fare well this afternoon, but we promise to bring you the 4 prettiest. No, that's the wrong. It's the prettiest. What we're going to do in this video is going to bring you the prettiest village in the Algarve, and we're going to show you the 4 properties that are actually up for sale. And we've noticed in our videos that the video that has done the best within our year of being a YouTuber has been the video on Alt. We've got a fly on the camera. So what we're going to show you is the 4 properties now that is up for sale in Alt, and it is a beautiful village. We live there, and it's got so much to actually give. So we're going to show you that hopefully in half an hour. We're going to pop down to Alt. We're going to show you the lovely aspects of Alt, and also the 4 properties that are up for sale there. So hope you enjoy it. And I hope we can actually last through this actual bar crawl of the Algarve.
Yeah, we will. We'll get that.
Yeah, we'll get through it. We'll show you it. Yeah.
Ela vem para o Sim, vem
So this is the cafe in Sanadash. There's actually only one cafe bar. Cafe du Sour Vida. And we're actually next to a hostel, which looks very nice. I've never been inside. It's got an AL licence, but I'm sure it's the only one in Sanadash. Cerra del Janella Hostel. Let me go and have a walk up to it. It does look very nice. It's got a swimming pool. I'm sure if you went online on booking.com or anything, you'll actually see it. What have you got?
So we got Tres Liquor de Brau. We got Quattro.
3 liquor de Brau.
Tres Liquor de Brau, Quattro, Pastel de Nata. Came to €12.30, which you can't say in Portuguese.
No.
But no.
Well, let me see what you think of it. Have you had... Is it?
very sweet. Very nice.
Yeah.
Do you like?
Yeah. Really good.
And what do you think of the liquor de Brau? Is it?
Oh god.
I always deck mine straight down.
Me too. Oh,
It's nice. It just tastes like cough medicine.
It does, yeah.
Yeah. It's nice though.
It's a nice one.
it's
Not
honey.
Benelin. Tastes like Benelin.
Yeah.
That was it.
Yeah.
Honey and
nice.
what would you say?
You meant to get it in your mouth.
Sweet. Very nice. The flavour of them very good. Got a bit chewy though.
So me and your mum knocked that, so we meant to knock it down, so we just knocked that down.
No.
Wow.
You can have